Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025 constitutes a revolution in efficiency and safety, a revolution for road traffic and its infrastructure, for professional driving and for the road transport sector, said a statement from the German automotive company. The curvaceous chassis of the cab is covered in LEDs rather than traditional headlights, while cameras are mounted on side wings instead of mirrors, making the design more aerodynamic. Radar sensors and camera technology allow the truck to drive autonomously, creating a highway pilot system similar to the autopilot function used by aircraft. Fuso Bus Concept. Fuso Truck and Bus Unit is taking to the Tokyo Motor Show to unveil its all-electric e-Fuso Vision 1 heavy-duty truck. The concept signals Daimler's commitment to offer electric powertrain versions of its entire fleet of trucks and buses, and the company is staking its claim as the first OEM to launch a brand exclusively focused on electric trucks and buses, beating Tesla's much-hyped electric semi-truck unveiling by 3 weeks. The all-electric truck boasts a range of up to 350 kilometers, or 217 miles, which the company says makes it best suited for regional intercity deliveries. Thanks to the combination of rising consumer interest, electric charging infrastructure development and regulatory mandates, Daimler says the electric truck could be introduced within 4 years in mature markets like Japan or Europe under the e-Fuso brand. Furrion Elysium. Furrion is a design and technology company that does everything from yachts to TVs, architecture, and interior and industrial design. The Elysium is their take on the ultra-premium RV, and the 43-foot-long chassis packs everything from a hot tub and 3 75-inch 4K TVs to a rooftop helipad, meaning if you can't get there on land, you'll definitely be able to there from the air. The exterior is no less impressive than the interior, with a heavy-duty design straight from the giant robot anime genre. Expect the Elysium to come to market in early 2019. And meanwhile, check Variomobile's signature 1200, the largest and most expensive motorhome on the market at the moment. Hyundai HDC6 Neptune. Hyundai Motor Company, HMC, revealed today the first rendering images of its concept for a hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric truck, HDC6 Neptune. Known for its leadership in fuel cell technology with integrated capabilities for the passenger and commercial vehicle markets, HMC will debut its latest commercial truck concept during this year's North American Commercial Vehicle Show in Atlanta. In addition, Hyundai Translead, HT, will also reveal its eco-friendly, high-performance refrigerated concept trailer solution, HT Nitro Thermotech registered. The joint press conference will take place on October 29th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. Mercedes-Benz has revealed its design for an autonomous bus, which recently made its first self-driven journey along a 20-kilometer-long route in the Netherlands. Future Bus makes public transport safer, more efficient, and more productive, said Wolfgang Bernhard, board member of Mercedes-Benz parent company Daimler AG. The Future Bus is driven by City Pilot technology, a self-driving system based on Highway Pilot, from the company's autonomous Acros truck. Doors are similarly illuminated to speed up passenger boarding and embarking, with the exit marked in red and the entrance in green. Tesla Semi. Semi comes standard with active safety features that pair with advanced motor and brake controls to deliver traction and stability in all conditions. A central seating position gives the driver better visibility, while an all-electric architecture reduces both rollover risk and cabin intrusion in case of an accident. With less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile of energy consumption, Semi can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge. Recover up to 70% of range in 30 minutes using Tesla's semi-chargers. Charging with electricity is approximately 2.5 times cheaper per mile than refueling with diesel. Operators can see estimated fuel savings of up to $200,000 within their first 3 years of ownership. Mack Black Anthem. The Mack Black Anthem interior begins with a blacked-out version of Mack's Ultra interior trim level and adds special black wood accents to the dash and door panels, along with black painted gauge bezels in the instrument cluster. These trucks are available in 3 cabs: the 70 stand-up sleeper, 48 flat-top sleeper, and the day cab. Mack offers these trucks with 11 and 13-liter Mack diesel engines producing between 325 and 505 HP of power and 1,260 and 1,860 lb-ft, 1,708 to 2,522 Nm of torque. Peterbilt 389. The Peterbilt Model 389 is built for maximum appeal and enduring performance. It is the preferred truck for drivers in fleets large and small. On the exterior, plenty of stainless is coupled with United Pacific black-out headlight assemblies that complement the red-accented black paint job. This unit was built for the long haul, in more ways than one. Looking ahead to eventual potential retirement some years down the road, Yvonne envisioned it as a getaway vehicle of a fashion when the couple slows down. A way to take home over the road, enjoy the truck shows, and supplement all of it time to time with bonus freight income. Volvo VNL. The Volvo VNL series features the latest innovations in fuel efficiency, driver productivity, safety, and uptime management. With 6 different models and a range of horsepower and torque options, the VNL series has a truck that's a perfect fit for any fleet. Combined with setting the standard for aerodynamic performance and our next-generation Volvo D13TC engine, the Volvo VNL is designed to help customers save fuel on virtually any load en route for highway applications. The VNL offers redesigned working and living spaces, optimized to put the driver comfortably in command, maximizing productivity. Race Hauler. It's the world's best racing hauler. Built in Texas by TurnKey Industries. Special credits to everyone who made this possible: TurnKey Industries, Napoleon Motorsports. The interior features contemporary gray wood flooring and some more LED lighting, black cabinetry, and white marble countertops. A rock and roll nightclub on wheels. On the business end of the hauler, it remains just as perfect. The racing hauler features 2 decks of contemporary design. Traveling with this piece of technology must be a dream come true. There are lights surrounding the whole truck which make this monster look even better.